These chewy, ooey gooey chocolate maple oat bars are everything. They're gluten-free, they have no processed sugar, they take 5 minutes to put together, 15 minutes in your oven. The hardest part is letting them chill, but they are so worth the wait because they're really, really good. Check out the recipe, it's on tkfoodie.com.
To my oats, I add some melted butter, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of vanilla. I love vanilla paste. Then add coconut sugar, maple syrup, and give it a good stir. Once it's all well combined, you just put it into a parchment-lined baking sheet, packing it out pretty evenly, and then bake it. When it comes out of the oven, put on your chocolate chips, let them melt, and then spread them over like a wonderful ganache. And then you're going to let this chill thoroughly, cut them, and dig in.
These chewy, ooey gooey maple, it's gonna be so hard.